everyone, welcome back to the channel. For years, we have been hearing about the rumors and patents about a foldable iPhone. Now, Apple is ready to jump into the foldable phone market and looks like a foldable iPhone is finally coming. Let's go through all the leaks and rumors we know about the iPhone Fold. We have seen folding phones from Samsung, Google, Oppo, OnePlus, among which Samsung Z Fold is already on its several generations. The first folding phone from Samsung was launched in 2019, but Apple, as usual, has been taking its time. The big question is, what will Apple's take on the foldable be? And when can we expect it? Let's start with the release date. While early rumors pointed to 2025, the latest and the most consistent leaks from the reliable sources like Mark Gurman and Vinchico suggest we are looking more at a 2026 launch. Apple is known for perfecting a technology before releasing it, and it seems they are taking their sweet time to ensure the first foldable phone is up to their standards. So patience is the key here. Now let's see the design and specifications. It is going to be a book-style foldable design similar to Samsung Galaxy Z Fold series, rather than a flip phone like the Z Flip. Rumors suggest a large internal folding display, potentially around 7.8 inches, which is roughly the size of a small tablet, and it is expected to be high-resolution AMOLED panel. And the big news is that Samsung is widely reported to be the primary supplier for these advanced foldable displays. Given Samsung's experience in this area, it makes sense that Apple would turn to them for this critical component. The external cover display is expected to be around 5.5 inches. This suggests a device that's a standard iPhone size when folded, opening up to a larger canvas. When unfolded, it could measure a mere 4.5 mm thick, and when folded, around 9 to 9.5 mm. To achieve this, Apple is reportedly using premium and advanced materials. Expect a titanium frame similar to the latest Pro iPhones for durability and weight reduction. One key area Apple is reportedly focusing on is the crease. Many current foldable phones have a noticeable crease on the internal display. Apple is rumored to be working hard to minimize or even eliminate this, possibly using a new hinge design with liquid metal components for improved durability and smoother fold. In terms of power, it will pack the latest Apple silicon. We could see an Apple A20 or A19 Pro chip, ensuring top-tier performance for multitasking and demanding apps. Battery life is always a concern with foldables, but leaks suggest a battery capacity around 4700 to 5000 mAh, which combined with Apple's efficiency should hopefully provide a full day use. In terms of unlocking the device, while some very recent leaks have suggested a possibility of a Face ID on the inner screen, the more prevalent and consistent rumors pointing towards a side-mounted Touch ID sensor for both folded and unfolded states. This decision is likely driven by the desire for a thinner design, as components for Face ID can take up more space. The camera setup is less clear, with some rumors pointing to a dual rear camera and others suggesting a more robust triple camera system, perhaps with a 48 megapixel main sensor. Beyond the hardware, expect software to play a huge role. Apple is known for optimizing iOS for their hardware, and foldable iPhone will be no exception. We can anticipate AI-driven features leveraging the unique form factor, potentially enhancing everything from photography with intelligent processing to more intuitive multitasking and organization on the larger screen. Think smarter ways to use two apps at once or AI-powered suggestions based on how you're holding or folding the device. This could tie into the broader Apple Intelligence initiatives we are expecting. So, how might the iPhone Fold compare to the established players like the Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold series? Firstly, price. Leaks suggest the iPhone Fold could come with a hefty price tag, potentially starting around $2,000 to $2,300. This would position it as a premium, high-end device, likely more expensive than some of the current foldable options from competitors. In terms of design, the book-style form factor is similar to the Z Fold. However, Apple's rumored focus on a less noticeable crease and a potentially thinner profile could give it an edge in design refinement. Software will be a key differentiator. While Android foldables have evolved their multitasking features. iOS on a foldable opens up possibilities for seamless app transitions, improved split screen experiences, and potentially new ways to interact with apps designed specifically for the larger folding displays. Apple's ecosystem integration will also be a major draw for existing iPhone users. Durability has been a learning curve for all foldable manufacturers. Apple's potential use of a liquid metal in the hinge and a focus on build quality will be crucial in competing with the durability improvements seen in the latest Galaxy Fold models. Imagining the iPhone Fold in real life, it could truly change how we use our phones. When folded, it's a familiar iPhone experience for quick tasks, calls, and notifications. Unfolded, you have a mini tablet, or you can say a mini iPad, perfect for productivity, media consumption, and gaming. The larger screen would be fantastic for reading articles, browse the web, or watching videos. Multitasking could become incredibly powerful, allowing you to have two apps open side by side seamlessly, like taking notes while on a video call or referencing a document while writing an email. The potential for Apple Pencil support on the larger display is also exciting for creatives and professionals who need precision input. Of course, there are challenges. The thickness and weight when folded will be something to consider compared to the standard iPhones. Durability, especially the long-term resilience of the folding screen, will be a major factor for potential buyers. So, what are my thoughts on the iPhone Fold based on these leaks? Honestly, Apple is entering the foldable market is a big deal. They have a track record of taking existing technologies and refining them, often creating a more polished and user-friendly experience. The more rumored focus on minimizing the crease and potentially integrating Touch ID for a thinner design are promising. Apple's software optimization for a foldable display could be a game changer for multitasking on iOS. However, the high price point is a significant obstacle. It will be a luxury item, likely targeting early adopters and those who truly need the combination of a phone and a small tablet in one device. The competition isn't standing still either, with Samsung and others continuing to improve their foldable technology with each generation. If Apple can deliver a durable, seamless, and well-optimized foldable experience, it could definitely shake up the market and set a new standard. But they have a lot to prove to justify the weight and the expected premium price. What do you think about the potential iPhone Fold? Are you excited for it? Or do you think Apple is too late to the game? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Algorithm Live for more Apple insights. Thank you for watching.